Hi friends, today we have a topic mangrove for the future. So, the December 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, it caused a huge destruction in the coastal region. Right. So, that 2004 tsunami made aware the importance for protecting the coastal regions. Right. So, that's why the then US President Bill Clinton was having a vision that was uh, the rebuilding of tsunami hit areas should improve the natural infrastructure and it should strengthen the resilience against the future natural disasters. Okay, so in response to the response of the US President, IUCN and that means International Union for the Conservation of Nature and UNDP, United Nations Development Program, they both developed mangrove for the future in 2006. Right. So the mangrove for future is a unique partnership-led initiative to promote investment in coastal ecosystem conservation and for the sustainable development. Okay. So mangrove for future, or shortly we can call it as MFF, is a partnership-led initiative to promote investment in coastal ecosystem conservation for the sustainable development. Right. So we said that IUCN and UNDP developed this MFF in 2006. Right. So that's why this MFF is co-chaired by the IUCN and UNDP. Right. So MFF provides the platform for collaboration among different agencies, sectors, and countries which are addressing challenges to the coastal ecosystem and livelihood issues. So those agencies or those sectors or those countries which are addressing the challenges to coastal ecosystem and livelihood issues, for them this MFF provides a platform. Right. So the goal of the Mangrove for Future is to promote an integrated ocean-wide approach to coastal management and to building the resilience of ecosystem-dependent communities, coastal communities. Okay. So it is focusing on the coastal areas or coastal ecosystems. Right. So we know that from the name mangroves, mangroves are found in the coastal regions. Okay. So if it is mainly focusing on the mangrove forest, even though it is focusing on the mangrove forest, mangroves, it also dealing with the coral reefs. Right. So even though mangroves are the flagship of this initiative, they are also focusing on the coastal ecosystems like the coral reef, estuaries, lagoons, sandy beaches, seagrass beds and wetlands nearby the coastal regions. Right. Now let's go for the objectives, main objectives of this mangrove for future. So there are three objectives for mangrove for future. Okay. So first one is improve, share and apply knowledge to support the conservation, restoration and sustainable use of coastal ecosystems. So if we need to protect or if we need to conserve the coastal ecosystem for the conservation, we need to know about it. Okay, we should have a proper knowledge regarding that. So that's why they are having the first objective, improve, share and apply the knowledge to support the conservation of coastal ecosystem. Okay, so first objective is dealing with the knowledge. Then the second objective is strengthen integrated coastal management institutions and empower civil society, that means including the local communities, to engage in decision making and management that conserves, restore and sustainably use coastal ecosystems. Okay, so the second objective is to strengthen the integrated coastal management institutions and empowering the civil society nearby the coastal regions. Now the third objective is enhance coastal governance at all levels from the regional, national, provincial, district and community level to encourage integrated management programs and investments that are ecologically and socio-economically sound and promote human well-being and security. Okay, so these three are the objectives for Mangrove for Future. Right. So we said that Mangrove for Future is a partnership-led initiative. So India is a member of this initiative. Right. So India is a member country of this Mangrove for Future. So the primary focus of Mangrove for Future program in India is on improving the scientific knowledge base to feed into national policies for enhanced management of coastal and marine ecosystems. Okay, so that is the objective, main primary focus of the Mangrove for Future program in India. That means improving the scientific knowledge base to feed into national policies. So the MFF's program of work in India is overseen by the National Coordination Body. Okay, so these are the main point you have to remember. Now let's go for the model question. With reference to Mangrove for Future, which of the following statement is correct? First statement, Mangrove for Future is a unique partner-led initiative to promote investment in coastal ecosystems conservation for sustainable development. So that was the correct statement, right? So that's why we eliminated C. And second statement, it is co-chaired by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature and United Nations Development Program, UNDP. So that is also correct statement, right? So it was developed by these two organizations. So it is co-chaired by these two organizations. So second statement is also correct. So that's why we got the answer as D, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So just go for the third statement also. The primary focus of MFF program in India is on improving the scientific knowledge base to feed into national policies for enhanced management of coastal and marine ecosystem. So that was also correct statement, right? So answer is D, 1, 2, 3. All the statements are correct regarding this question. Okay. Thank you.